Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about something that's really bothered me as a marketer, dealing with designers and creative people, and that is when you're trying to build a web page or do anything online and you need to remove the background in an image. It's always been something that's very tough and time consuming for designers because they have to use Photoshop or some other tool and literally cut around the person and extract the background, make sure that the person is okay, and then either change the lighting to make them look okay. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it with AI. Let's get rolling. Here we go. Okay, let me jump over to the computer. So I found this website that claims it can do this automatically with your image with this software. Let's check it out. Let's get the music going. Here we go. All right. So first things first, we got to find an image. I'm going to go over here to our friends at pexels.com. I've searched Paris and people. This is a woman in front of the Eiffel Tower. This looks like a good image that we can test out here. Let me download this and we'll test it out here. Just want to get another image. This guy with this background. This would be tough to actually crop him out. So let's go ahead and download him too. Give it a second there. All right. Now, let's go over here to Removebg. I'll put all the links down in the description below. So look at this. This tool is claiming to take your photo, completely remove the background, and give you a PNG image file that's completely perfect. And look, you can swap out the background and you're going to have no issues. Now, me being a marketer, I've tried to do this. I've watched some videos online. Hey, I can do this. I don't need the designers. No, it's more complicated. There's different settings in Photoshop that you got to know. It's a huge headache. So back to the tool. I can't do it myself. I'm going to use a tool for this. Here it is. Let's upload the photo of the girl here. Let's see if this is going to work. There it is. Look at that. Just that quickly. It removed the full background, and look at this. It kept pieces of her hair that normally if you were cropping would have gotten deleted. Her purse, her bag, her hands, nothing is weirdly cropped or missing. This is shocking. And look at this. You can download this. You can do this for free, or you can pay and get the high-res version. I tested this out for a month because I wanted to see. Now, let's do another image here of the guy sitting at the cafe. Here we go. Let's see what this one does. I don't think it can do it. Can it do it? Before? Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Look at that. I could have sworn I was going to chop his arm off. Look, this one, that is included. You might need a little more, but it looks natural. Like his arm is sitting on something. Wow. I am very surprised. I'm very surprised that it did that well. Let's try one more here. Let's do one more. Okay. No, those are sponsored. Okay, this girl in the back of the van, that one's going to be tough to crop out. Let's try this. Let's see if it can do it. Keep the winning streak going here. I'm rooting for the tool here. Remove.bg. See what you got. Let's do one more. Let me go back to the home page here. Drag and drop this one. Here we go. It's going to do it. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this. From the original, it removed the background. Look at this one. Same thing. Look at this. This is a very detailed background. And if you'd have to crop him out, I mean, I am just shocked. Same thing here. Look at this. The before and after. I'm very impressed. They've done a great job with this. And what you're going to love about it is it's completely free for the lower res. If you need something super high res, thousands of pixels by thousands of pixels, you can also do it. You can buy some credits and do it for super cheap. And it's done in less than a minute. Otherwise, you'd have to open a project, work with the designer, get them to crop it, to put that image on your landing page, in your campaign. Not anymore. It's done quickly, easily, and efficiently. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.